How many different types of spinach do you know? Let's have a look. Oh, look at this thing. That's a hoverfly there, hovering around, eating aphids. Hang on, you probably will say, yeah, a little one there. Okay, here we go. Lagos spinach. Egyptian spinach, this one here. Chinese red spinach, that one there. And then around over here we got this called New Zealand spinach, also called warrigal green. It's a bit like a weed, just crawls everywhere. And this other one here is called perpetual spinach. It just keep growing. It's in the chard family, so it's not really a spinach, but grows well. Perpetual spinach. And over here, wow, look at our snake beans. Wow, and the lima beans. This is called we call it Huangdi Dou. I think they might call it Madagascar bean. Very prolific. Yeah, this is a nice shade here going under the chair. Now we've got another spinach here. It's in the it grows in the water. Guess what the name is? Water spinach. Also called kangkong. And then we've got watercress here growing in this bathtub. Now there's another spinach outside. Let's go outside in our yard. Okay. Putting an extra tank here. Another 25,000 litre. That's the concrete is getting poured today. We'll end up with 4 water tank, 69,000 litre altogether. Good thing is the council don't care how many water tank you've got or how big you go in a water tank. No restriction, and you can never have enough water tank. So let's have a look here. One of my friends gave me another type of spinach. This one climbs on the fence. And have a guess what this name is? This one here. We're going to plant it along this back fence here. It's got this blackberry. See this blackberry here? Yeah, blackberry. And the leaves is a little bit thick, nice and thick. It's actually called Indian spinach. Believe it or not. I think they just call everything green, spinach. But one thing is missing in all this spinach that I'm growing. Guess what it is? Oh, this is lychee. Let's go fruiting now. It's actually the original green spinach, English spinach. That's the one that's missing. Have a look at this beautiful jackfruit. Yep, that's all happening, and the star apple is still doing well. So, and why do I not grow English spinach? Because it's summer in Brisbane. It's too hot, so it's the wrong season. So I'll probably have to cover all these because I get birds and stuff coming to eat it. Now there's another spinach here growing under this lychee tree. This is a lychee tree that I had to cut all the mites off, the black mites that grows on the leaves. Yeah, it looks like these. A little bit like that, black. Yeah, I have to cut it off. Anyway, this one is called sangbang spinach. Sangbang spinach. And you can eat it raw. There's another spinach along the end of this bed here. It's called Suriname spinach. This one you have to cook it. This one here, Suriname spinach. Now, how am I going to grow this Indian spinach along this fence here? This is a great way, to increase your food production space. Basically, everyone has a fence. I just basically hammer this pipe into the soil, and then get one of those screws from Bunnings. And this steel mesh, I just get it from Steel Place. Don't get it from Bunnings, too dear. It's galvanized. And basically, we just screw onto the fence. So we've got very clay soil. So this is what I'm going to use. This one I get it from Costco. 50 litre, about $13. In Bunnings you pay double that. So it's got compost, chicken manure, fish and seaweed, blood and bone, gypsum, cow manure, iron and zeolite. So this is a soil improver. So I'm going to just dig that into the soil, mix it all up, and then just plant the Indian spinach next to it, and then I'll put a layer of sugarcane mulch or some wood chip or something over it, stop evaporation. And that's how I actually intend to plant all this out. So in the next video I'll go through what I'm planting along the fence here. So all along here and all along here and all along the back fence there. So I hope this will inspire you to get into gardening and start to grow you know, beautiful produce, so you can have something from the garden every day. You know, it's great to be self-sufficient. Thank you.